What's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? It is the afternoon time. So weird that I'm live right now. Today, we're going to do something a little bit different, guys. We're going to be talking about the charts really quickly. I'm going to try to run through as many of these charts within the Cosmos ecosystem that I can within about 10 minutes, hopefully, or less. But before I do, I got to do my little quick spill, guys. Stick with me. I'm going to try to talk really quickly. My name is Tank. This is the IBC Gang YouTube channel. We talk about everything that's happening in the traditional markets, as well as our little niche that we have within the Cosmos ecosystem. If you guys would help me grow, like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell notification. It really does help me out. But we're gonna try to do this as fast as we can, because I'm trying to stick with about 10 minutes. So go ahead, let's time it right now. What is it? Okay, give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's up, BitSource? What up, Med? Guys, we're going to talk about Bitcoin really quickly. I've been sharing with you guys Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin is in the Cosmos ecosystem, guys. I've been sharing with you guys the levels here on the charts. Again, this is the 200 SMA strategy, 36.45%. Total move down once the 200 SMA does not hold up as support. It has been rejected, like I said earlier today, guys, in our live stream this morning. It has been rejected right now and is coming back down. Let me show you guys the other chart that I have right now for Bitcoin. Oop, nope, that's not it. Bitcoin's chart right here, guys. This is the level that I've been looking at with the Fibonacci retracement. As you guys can see right here, we're just above right here, the golden pocket, which is that 0.65, 0.618. Again, guys, if we come back down here to the 0.65, 29.2 is basically where I'm going to start DCAing again. I'm waiting. Be patient, guys. That's what I have right here. I also think that we will be seeing a little bit more down action over the next month and a half. So we could come here to the 0.65 and also the 0.786, which is around $27,500. And then again, there is a real chance that we actually come down to 24/7. Again, if the Feds actually do what they have to do and they don't mess around, we could definitely come down to there, guys. So be on the lookout for these levels right here. That's what I'm seeing right now. We got rejected. We're not recapturing the 0.5. Didn't even come close. We really didn't even recapture 30,500, which is our immediate short-term resistance. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about right here, and then I'm going to move on really quickly. BTC, look at that white line right there again. That is the 200 SMA strategy. We have not yet broke past it. I told you guys in this morning stream, don't front run things, and look where we are now, guys, coming back down, doing the same old thing that we have been doing. Let's move on over to ETH really quickly, guys. Yes, ETH is also in our ecosystem for the Cosmos ecosystem, trading under $2,000, $19.97. It is coming back down to our 200 SMA strategy. Let me share with you guys what that is again. That is 48.88% total move down underneath the 200 SMA. Once that yellow line right here, the 200 SMA does not hold up as support and it fails. I told you guys that was the average based on price action in the past, and that is about like 10 or so breaks going all the way back here for Ethereum. I told you guys that's a good place to start DCAing with your capital for long-term holds with Ethereum. And look, we've come down there and we look like we might be coming down there again to retest those levels. Again, guys, long-term play, so don't worry about a thing. We're not out of the woods just yet. If we come down to this level right here, I will be DCAing yet again. And then again, if it goes down even further, I have some levels that I will DCA even further down. But that's what I want to see. I want to see right now, immediate short term, if 1870 does hold up long term as support like it has been. Once it does break down, though, I will give you guys another heads up. Let's move on. We're going to be talking about Atom. Atom right now just trading underneath our 0.5, guys. I've been sharing this chart for forever now. We are retesting and kind of doing really well with everything else being considered. We are retesting, that mid $11 and retesting this 0.5 level for a rejection. Actually, this is still holding up as resistance on the chart right now. But if we come back down here and retest the 0.618, which is again the top level of our golden pocket, I will definitely make another buy. You can never go wrong, in my humble opinion, with buying some more Atom. But as you guys can see, I have some fib lines right here. These are the fibs that I'm looking out for. If we get rejected, we could come back down to this golden pocket. If we touch it again, I think it will hold up, especially with some fundamental things that are going to be happening for the Atom token here shortly. Hopefully interchange security and everything else actually does get released pretty soon. But I do think, this could be another opportunity if it presents itself. And then again, if it comes down to the 0.786, which is $5.61, I will definitely reinforce my positions with more positions down here, not financial advice. And then if it comes down to the one, which is right around $1, I will definitely be the next whale that you guys talk about. We're going to move on over to Secret. Yep, still got time. Secret holding up really well, guys. Secret holding up really, really well right here. We are just hovering above the 0.236 on my fib lines right here. If we do get that opportunity, and it does show me 0.236 again, which is right around $1.84, I will probably make another buy right there. If it comes down to my favorite 0.382 on the fib, which is $1.50, I will definitely buy, because the 200 SMA strategy and that 382 are my favorites place to actually start really DCAing hard on an asset. So again, if it comes back down to here, I'll make a really good buy right there. Long term though, and actually for the short term, I actually see Secret being really, really bullish right now. It's holding up really, really well. So again, guys, just watch right now. See if it holds up on the 0.236, which is $1.84. Let's move on into Osmosis. Osmosis right now, guys, let's take a look at what Osmosis is doing. This one should be pretty easy. This one should be pretty easy if it loads for me. Let me go ahead and open up the expert chart. Expert chart. We're looking at the 1 hourly. This is really simple, guys. And no, I'm not going to count that wick down there because that was not true price action. I'm going to go by the bodies of these candles right here, which reflects true price action for that time frame. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw this line really simple, guys. Really simple, and project it out. We got 1 touch, 2 touch right here. Actually 3 touches right there. The more that you have, the better it is reinforcing that line. If we come back down to this line, guys, I'm going to take another buy to see if it holds up. If it comes down to right about $1.62, I will definitely make another buy. But right now, I bought these levels down here, so I'm not in a rush to get into another position unless it actually presents me a really good opportunity. And again, I think if we come down to this line right here, which is right around $1.61 or $1.62, I think that's a really good buy. We could even come down there and look at it and then pull away. But right now, Osmo is looking really, really good, guys. Don't forget the thirding's happening for Osmo here shortly. Going into Juno. What's up, Ryu? Actual rapper. Yep, trying to do it really fast, guys. Trying to do it real fast. Real fast. Let's do the same thing, actually. This is going to be really... this is the 15-minute, actually. Let me go to the 1 hour really quickly. This is going to be kind of harder to do, actually, because we have... No, I don't think I can even do this. Yep, I can't even do that right there. Actually, let's just go ahead and call it right here for... let's just call it really easy for what it is right here, guys. If it presents itself right there, $6.43, I will probably make another buy. If we do it simply by looking at this right here, this is going to be admittingly kind of degenny when I do this. But if you take a look at this right here and you just kind of project out on the bottoms, kind of split the difference right there. You know, you could do that, something like that. If it comes down to $7.15, you know, and let's see if that actually holds up. I probably won't make a buy, but let's see if that actually holds up long term. And then if it comes down here to $6.43, that's where I'll be kind of maybe considering another buy again. This is resistance, support. So again, if you guys kind of scroll out as well, you can see it even better here. Oops, nope. Let me go back here. I don't like how they do that, guys. Really easy. Resistance, support. That's where you should be going. It's about $6.90, give or take a little, you know, a couple of cents. And actually right now you can see on the higher time frame, on the daily right here, you can see that what we're doing is actually looking like we're fighting our previous support level right here, which obviously would be treating us as resistance. Let's see if we break through. I got to move on though. I got to move on. Did we already do Secret? I think we did Secret. We did Secret already. Let's move on into Stargaze. No. Stargaze is actually looking pretty good. Look at this on the 1 hour, looking really good, guys. On the daily, of course, it looks a lot worse because we came all the way back down here. But it's really easy. We're retesting again, just like Juno. We're retesting our previous lows to see if it holds up as resistance, guys. We got to see if this actually breaks through and gets us back up to 50 cents. Wait to see if it gets us back up to 50 cents. If it does not get us back up to 50 cents, the real easy thing to do is just look for previous lows right here on the charts. I don't think I'm going to do this in 10 minutes. Let's try for 15. Again, if it comes down to 35 cents, I think that's a good buy. So I'm going to go ahead and mark this right here, guys. I think that would be a really good buy. Again, not financial advice. This is just what I'm looking for. That is previous resistance, previous support. Not a lot. This is the 1 hour time frame. So don't get your hopium up at that. But that's where I'm looking at right now, guys. That's where I'm looking at right now for the shorter time frame. Let's move on. Comdex. Comdex, I'm super bullish on, guys. Don't forget, we're going to have the Comdex team on the channel on Friday at 10 o'clock Central Standard Time. Right now, what we're doing, guys, you see this? It's really easy, actually, when you do this. Right now, what we're doing is we're testing previous resistance, previous resistance, previous resistance, previous resistance, previous support, and seeing if it holds up as either previous resistance or just falls through the support. or if it holds up as previous support or future support based on previous resistance. Excuse me, I got tongue tied there. But yeah, guys, we got to see if it holds up or not. Right now, it does look it's fighting in between right now. If it comes down, you know where I would probably buy some more. It would probably be somewhere around here, which is 46 cents. If you guys get this opportunity right here with everything that's happening on the Comdex platform, I think you'd be crazy not to pull the trigger. That's 41 cents. And then again, if by some weird random luck you get 36, I would definitely make a position right there. I didn't even have to look at the expert chart for that. Let's go into persistence and then SIF chain, and then we'll be on our merry way. Same thing, guys, on the 1 hourly. We're just retesting previous resistance right here to see if it holds up as support. We had support briefly right here. Again, guys, it does look like with the momentum from Bitcoin, it does look like we might actually falter and fall from there. But yeah, if we do fall from there, guys, look for this previous low right here, which is right around $1.48 to see if that holds up as support. And then, of course, if you get the tops and the bottoms of here, which the tops are about $1.38, if you guys want to be really conservative and wait to see if you get 132, I think that would be a steal. I don't even have to look at the expert chart for that either. Let's move on. SIF chain, SIF chain, SIF chain. What's up, Crypto Moto? Trying to do a fast one for the afternoon, guys. Oops, excuse me. What did I do here? SIF chain looking, guys, looking bleak, pretty much at the bottom. I mean, basically, what do you say about this, right? You know, I still have not sold any of my, and I told you guys, SIF chain was my DGen kind of play, but I have not sold any. I'm staking it for a year. We'll see what happens with it in a year. I think a lot of things will change in a year. So I'm just staking it while the APY or the annualized returns are really, really high. But guys, we're at a bottom right now. You know, what else do you say? I mean, maybe start DCAing. I mean, you're at the bottom. So not much more to say about that. I mean, we could look at the daily. You're not going to get a better price. I mean, you might, but you're not going to get a better price based on previous price action. But yeah, that's what I got, guys. That is what I got. What's up, Rama? Morning stream. What? Yeah, we tried to do a really quick one. Again, guys, I'm going to cut it off shortly, though. Tried to do a really quick one, trying to keep it 10 minutes. I know I went a little bit over that, guys. But for everybody that needs this in the afternoon, that can't catch our morning streams, hopefully this helps, guys. If you can catch the morning streams, definitely, you know, come and hang out, guys. We do a little bit more detailed stream there. I do have some really bullish things actually happening. Oh, by the way, Rama, since you're here, I would love to have the team on the show. I would love to have Raccoon on the show as well. If you guys know, you know what I'm saying. I'd love to have you guys on there as well. Just a little heads up, though. We do have some guests that we're going to be having on the show. Like I said, we are going to be having the Comdex team, on the show on Friday at 10 p.m. We also are going to be having, I'm trying to get Lex and the Strange Clan also on the show here shortly. And then we also have Hydro Finance coming on the show on Thursday. So be on the lookout for that, guys. Don't miss out. I'm trying to get more and more projects and devs on the show. Hopefully you guys love that. If you guys would, before we leave, guys, hit that sub button, hit that like button, and definitely hit that little bell button because it really does help. With all that being said, peace. I'm out of here. Beat it. Go. Bye. I'm out of here. Short stream. Beat it.